Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we'll start taking questions. So yeah, Pritham is there. Okay, he messaged me, so it's fine. Okay, maybe last time something has happened. I don't know. Okay, can you start? Can you ask your question?
Uh,
Hmm.
so am I audible?
Yeah.
So first of all, apologize for not attending the previous session due to some
No, it's
unavoidable
okay. It is
circumstances.
not mandatory to attend any sessions.
No, so actually my question is regarding
Ah,
question which was over which you had spent a lot of time. So I
okay.
made sure that I went through the entire video of 2 hours
Hmm.
46 minutes, and even after that I have a doubt.
Okay.
So my doubt is regarding graded assignment 5, question number 6.
Okay. Grade assignment 5, question number 6. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. Uh, okay. So, this minute, I think I should open this window first. Okay. Week 5 grade assignments, right?
Yes, sir.
Question number 6.
6.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So basically, in the previous session, your argument was that in order to meet the condition that the first three students are awarded, we
Hmm.
need to consider permutation.
Hmm.
But sir, this condition is met immediately when we choose any three of the 38 students, under the argument that these three chosen students would be the ones who would feature in top three, and
Hmm.
no other student can feature in the list other than these three. So
So
when
actually, oh, okay, that's fine. So you are saying that okay, we have chosen three students, which are top three, right? Any can be there,
yes,
but
sir.
if I'm awarding first three students, the question actually was meant like this: that first student, if I'm giving the award, right?
Yes, sir.
So the how many choices are there to give like the second student award, or how many possible things are there? So the first three student, here it was meant to be like three positions are there, three top three places are there, and in how many ways these three students can be given these awards, like that.
Yes, sir. And
that's
basically,
why that's why we have given the answer like yeah, that's 30. Okay, whatever the number is there in your I don't know, but here 39p4. So that's what actually, okay, we have selected three students. Now what we are doing that these three students can take any of the position, like the first the among these three students, anyone can be the on the first place, on the second place, and on the third place. So how many ways are there to be there on first three places, like that.
yes, sir. So if
So it was like the question which was like, okay, there is a race, right? And how many ways are there, like there are, let's say, 10 10 participants are there in the race, and how many ways are there to come like in first three positions, like that.
okay, sir, but the question that doesn't explicitly mention that. It says what are the possible number of ways
Yeah.
the students will be awarded.
Hmm.
So in this case, what happens is that the award happens to be some uniform award. Say,
Hmm.
suppose a cash
Hmm.
prize of
Yeah,
5,000 will
yeah,
be
yeah. I think
given.
I think yeah, we have discussed these things already. So yeah, I know
Yeah.
what you're saying is but actually the question was not meant to be okay. Maybe we can in future in exams, qualifier exams, or in quizzes, we'll take care of these things. But that question was actually not meant to be like that. When I said the first four students, I know what you're saying is it is possible that okay, once we picked four students or three students out of this, and we are giving them hours like that, right? You
Yes,
guys
sir.
are, so yeah, I know, but but we see. I felt like okay that this question, the eight number question, right? So I don't know you guys have got this notifications or not.
Yeah, yeah, we have got it, and it has been updated. The
Yeah,
scores
so
has. Yes,
eight
sir.
question actually it was not meant to be given the marks, right? Because
Yeah,
seven natural numbers, if you see, if you studied anywhere in schools or something or anywhere, it's kind of like n plus one by two. That is the formula.
yeah.
Since in mathematics one it is given there, so we decided that we can give marks, right?
And
And
there was another problem with
question
this question that it asked us to enter the
enter
next
next
smallest
constant
integer.
integer. Yeah, so
So,
that's why okay, that is a valid point I've thought. So we
yeah.
have given the marks for that. Question number
Mm.
nine, so it was valid because roll number is a what, it's a categorical variable, and it need not be uh, it's needed, it's not needed that the zero cannot occur on the first place,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So that these two we thought like it's a valid point.
Mm.
Questions six also it's kind of valid also, but so we had the discussion among us and we thought okay we can't give the mark unless because it's then it will be like okay only six or seven questions are there to be evaluated, right? So
Yeah, but
yeah, but yeah, okay, that it's okay. In anyways, grade assignments is not going to hamper your final scorings or something, right?
yes, sir. But and
It is just the
but just
eligibility criteria to
mm,
enter for the exam. So
in
in case,
future, if such a question
no, no, no.
comes, then what will be your answer?
It's not our answer. We will explicitly mention okay what are the first three positions or like that. Maybe we can.
Because in lecture video 6.4, from timestamp 2 minute 10 seconds to
Hmm.
6 minutes,
Hmm.
Professor Usha Mohan had given an example
Hmm.
where the question was there are eight students running in a eight candidates running in a racetrack, and the first question was giving them gold, silver, and bronze medal,
Hmm.
and the second was who features in the top three list. So in this question, the very phrase that who features in the
First three
first
positions.
three or first four positions will be awarded.
Hmm.
It kind of what to say analogous to that part,
Okay.
and that part we usually take combination.
Okay. No, it's a valid point. I'm not saying it's whatever you're saying is wrong also,
Okay,
but
sir.
yeah, we had the discussion regarding that, but we thought like okay, already we are scrapping one question,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
so that's why we kept it. It's not I'm saying it's wrong or something.
Okay, sir.
So
And okay, sir.
from quizzes or somewhere, we'll take care of that. Okay, it should not be ambiguous or something, right?
Okay, sir. And one more doubt I have. This
Uh,
is activity 6.1, question number 3.
6.1 and question number 3. Okay. Mm, how many ways can four non-identical rings be worn on the five fingers? Okay.
And sir,
Yeah.
my doubt is why can't multiple rings be worn on the same finger?
Uh, okay. Okay. So usually, whenever you're saying in permutation combinations problems, yeah, whatever you're saying, right? It's you're saying in logical way, right? But in
Yes, sir.
permutation combinations questions, if you have gone through the books or somewhere, if you see, it's not like unless it is mentioned that, for example, if it is mentioned repetition is allowed, okay,
Okay, sir.
or unless it is mentioned that we are wearing rings, like in this case in only one hand also we can wear all the four rings, unless it is
Yes, sir.
specifically mentioned you should not think about in that way. Whenever it is
Okay,
saying
sir.
okay, four non-identical rings be worn on four fingers, five fingers, that means every ring will go into only one finger. So in
Okay, sir.
permutation combination problems it will be like that only. Okay. So
Okay,
I
sir.
think it's kind of like a very standard problem. It's not if you go through some books or somewhere, It will be like very.
So I wrote the answer 5 to the power 4, assuming that
Yeah, because
multiple fingers. Yeah.
every finger can wear five
Yeah.
rings.
Yeah.
What do you
And
call
so, one last question. In graded assignment, question number 6.
it?
Graded
Graded
assignment
assignment number
6,
six.
question number 2.
Okay. Uh,
So, can you explain this question? Like,
okay.
in
So yeah,
modern, I don't know
including
how it
okay.
works, but in modern day, if we take a return ticket, there's one ticket and we can travel between any two stations.
Hmm.
So, here, what is it asking for?
So it's kind of like that. Okay, there are 5 train stops between Chennai and Assam, right?
Yeah.
So total number of stations are 7,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Including Chennai and Assam. Now
Yeah.
the question says is how many train tickets to be printed so that a person can travel between any of the two stations. That means you have to consider the two-way journey, like
Yeah.
either
Two-way
from
journey.
Chennai to
Understood,
Assam
sir.
or from Assam to Chennai. Then how many possible ways are there? Like for example, if I'm going from Chennai to Assam, that's one
Yeah.
ticket, right? Printed.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
if I'm coming from Assam to Chennai, that is another ticket.
Yeah.
The way you have to think.
And suppose I don't know any such station, but let us suppose Mumbai is one
Hmm.
station between them.
Hmm.
Then from Chennai to Mumbai, if I have to go,
Hmm.
for that, do I need to buy a separate ticket if I have already bought a ticket from Chennai to Assam?
It's not like that, but see, it's kind of like that. You are going to purchase only one ticket, right? Whenever you are
Yeah.
going to somewhere, right? So it's kind of like okay, if I'm going to Chennai to Assam, that is one different ticket. But if I wanted to go from Chennai to Mumbai, that is one another ticket, right? It's how many number of possible ways that tickets can be printed. This is
And
just
Chennai to Assam and Assam to Chennai, these are two different tickets, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
That's why it is written there, right? Irrespective of their
Yes.
direction of travel.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir. That's all.
okay, okay.
So
Uh,
can I ask now?
Simran, yeah.
So first out I have is an graded assignment of week 5 question 8. So because
We have discussed this, right? The natural numbers thing.
natural number one, yes sir.
Yeah,
I
we
don't.
have updated. We have actually ignored that question, so you'll get updated marks maybe.
No sir, it's not about the marks. I wanna
Okay.
know. See, sir, actually, before we were told that in this course,
Hmm.
zero will be included as a natural number.
Hmm.
So according to that, the first, actually in my assignment it is till 8 natural numbers.
Hmm.
So the first, so the first 8 natural numbers will
Hmm.
be till 7.
Hmm.
But if I see the answer, then 8 is included as eighth
Uh,
natural number 1 to 8.
yeah. Why we scrapped this question is that reason that I think you guys have studied in mathematics that natural number starts from zero,
Yes,
right?
sir.
That's why you took the addition until 7.
Yes, sir.
But in general, apart from the subject in
Yes, sir.
mathematics, everywhere the natural number
Yes,
starts
sir.
from 1,
Yes, sir.
right?
Zero is a
So
whole number. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
0 is a whole number, and so that it will go from 1 to 8. And we know the standard formula for sum of n natural numbers is
And
n
into
into
n.
n plus 1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will be equals to whatever, I don't know, some equation will be there, right? Here something I
Yes,
don't
sir.
know. So you have to just actually use this equation to find x, and if you know x, then you have to find 1 upon
Yes, sir.
x.
Actually, even I did accordingly, but I just want to know, like, if this kind of question comes in the end-term exam or even in the quiz.
No, then,
So,
then actually we now we know that okay, you guys have that this problem. So we'll mention explicitly that natural number starts from 1 or something. Whenever this kind of thing will occur, fine.
okay, sir. One more thing, sir.
Hmm.
In practice assignment week 5, question 21. Actually, I had the same doubt and I asked,
Week
sir,
5.
in,
One
yes,
minute.
sir.
One minute. Wait. First
I
question.
asked, sir,
Huh?
also
Question number
21, 21, sir. That
20.
pills one. So I
Okay.
have a doubt, and a specific
Okay.
doubt in this kind of question.
Hmm.
I asked before also, but he said that he will answer on the Discord, but I didn't get
Hmm.
reply or something.
Hmm. Hmm.
Sir, in this kind of question, we are making 6 possibilities.
Hmm.
Till then, it is fine. But then we are considering 6 into 6 into 6.
Hmm.
6 for morning, 6 for afternoon, and 6 for evening.
Hmm.
But sir, if we look at the possibilities, there's a possibility of green and blue,
Hmm.
and another possibility is green and black.
Hmm.
So if we take possibility of green and blue in morning,
Hmm.
and again we are taking 6, so we can take green and black in the afternoon.
Okay.
So accordingly, we are taking 2 pills of green in one day.
Okay.
But according to the question, we are just supposed to take 1 pill of green in a whole day. So I think this, there's some problem with this.
Okay. Okay. I'll go through the questions. An Alzheimer patient has to take medication thrice a day, right? She needs to take one blue and one black pill in the morning, one green and one blue pill in the afternoon, and one blue and one black pill in the evening, right? Okay. She does not know what color pills to take, but knows that she needs to take two pills because she don't know which color. Actually, she has to take this one green and one yellow. That is doctor suggested, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
she don't know which pills to take, right? But
Yes,
she
sir.
knows that at these three different times she has to take two pills,
Yes, sir.
right? Now assume there are infinite number of pills of each color. In how many ways can she take the pills in a day? Order of taking pills does not matter. That is, she can take first blue and later that is okay. So okay, that's fine. But
My doubt is,
huh,
according to this,
huh.
in a day, she needs to take 2 blue, 2 black, 1 green, and 1 yellow.
But actually she doesn't know which kind of
Yes,
color
sir.
will
Okay.
she can take, right? So there
Yes, sir.
are huh. So there
Yeah.
are actually how many colors of pills available? Blue,
4.
black, green, and yellow, right? Four pills. So she can take any of the pill in the morning, right?
Yes, sir.
But she can't take two same colors pill, right?
Yes, sir.
So 4 into 3, that will be in the morning slot, right? There are
Yes, sir.
possibilities that 4 into 3.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
she has the possibility of 4 into 3 and into 4 into 3, right?
Okay.
Okay, then how many combinations will be?
12.
Huh? 12
4
in
into 3.
one time, right?
Yeah, one time. Into 3. 36.
Okay, sorry. I missed the part. Okay, I will check the answer first. Not 12 into 3. 12 into 3, I don't think so.
So here they're doing 6
Hmm.
into 6 into 6.
Hmm. Hmm.
6 rays into 6 rays into 6 rays. So
Hmm.
all I'm saying is,
Hmm.
see, so if you will look at these possibilities,
Hmm.
the second possibilities of green and blue pill,
Hmm. Hmm.
and the sixth possibilities of green and yellow pill.
Hmm.
But according to the question, we're just supposed to take 1 green and 1 yellow pill in a whole day. So if we are
No.
doing 6 into 6 into 6,
Hmm.
so we are taking the possibility of green and blue in morning, suppose, and then
Hmm.
again green and yellow in the afternoon. So we are
Yeah.
taking 2 green pills in a day.
But because she see whatever information given here is misleading actually. See this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So but she doesn't know. She's Alzheimer's patient, so she doesn't know. If you read the next sentence, she doesn't know what color pills to take. So she can take two, green pills three times also.
So, but they should mention this.
This is
Like,
mentioned, right? She doesn't know what color pills to
yes,
take.
this is mentioned that she doesn't know which pills to take, and she
Huh?
can take of 2 different colors
Okay.
each
Huh?
time.
Huh?
But sir, if I look at the sentence which you have selected,
Hmm.
one, 2 blue, 2 black, 1 green, and 1 yellow in a whole day.
Hmm.
So according to that, I did the question and I made the possibilities because according to that. So
Okay. But
I made sure that there's just 1 green and 1 yellow pill in a whole day.
okay,
So
you did like that, but that's what actually to give the wrong answers. We have added that one sentence there. See, the thing is, she is a Alzheimer patient and she doesn't know which color. She actually needs to take these pills, right? One blue, one black, one green, one yellow, and that means how many blue? Two
2
blue,
blue,
right? One
yes,
green and I don't know, one yellow
1
and
yellow and 2 black.
yeah, ideally she should have taken that, right? But
Yes.
since she doesn't know which colors because she is Alzheimer's patient, she will forget which color pills she can take, and there are like a lot of pills available there, right? That's why it's here written that assume there are infinite number of pills of each color. So if you have put all the color pills in front of her, she can take anything, right? Because she doesn't know only two blue pills she has to take or only one yellow, that also she forgets, right?
It's a but if something was of that sort, they should have mentioned that They shouldn't have mentioned like one blue, one black. They should have just
Okay.
said that there's blue, black, yellow, and green pills available.
Then it will be straightforward question, right?
But sir, according to this, we
Okay.
can't take two green or two yellow. But according to the
Okay.
possibilities, we can take two green and two yellow, or three green and three yellow.
Okay. 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 It's fine. It's actually it's fine if you
No, actually, sir,
didn't
I'm
like the
really
session.
confused about this question, and I don't know like what's the correct way.
Actually, okay. If you are saying this, okay, you took this way, right? She needs to
Yes,
take
sir.
one way. That means you are restricted that only two blues are there, black will be there, and one green and one yellow will be there, right? That is also fine. If you take that, it's okay. I'm not saying.
Sorry, sir. I guess your voice is breaking.
Is it?
No, sir, it's fine.
No, sir, no, sir.
I think your internet connection is check. So yeah, so the thing is, it's okay. I don't want to discuss this because this is kind of okay. Anyway, it's practice assignment question, right? It's uh,
But sir, if this kind of question comes in the uh,
no, it won't
at,
be. See, we are like okay. We whenever we set the quiz papers, right? We don't give very where you need to do some assumptions or something like that. We don't do that things. So here your according actually your this sentence was very important. This one, whatever I'm highlighting now, she doesn't know what color pills she has to take, right? Each
That's when
time,
he doesn't know whether to take the
yeah,
same color pill or
same color
the
pill or
different colored
no,
pill.
and how many times she can actually take that means she can take all the blue pills like three times she can take the blue pills, blue in the morning, blue in the afternoon, blue in the evening. It is not restricted because she doesn't know, right? She just knows that only two pills I need to take and that to be of different colors. That only she knows, right? So, uh, uh, so that's why actually the question is here. Actually, this sentence will uh, changes the course of the question. If you see the first statement, right?
yes, sir.
This is this kind of okay. You should read the next statement also, and if it you have to see if that next statement is supporting the first statement or not. Here it is not, right? Because it's mentioned that she just knows that she has to take two pills and that of different colors, but she doesn't know how many green pills and how many black pills like that. That's the thing. Okay. Anyway, you can go through the solution here. Okay, that is I think it's fine.
I went to the solution. So they are
Hmm.
taking 6 into 6 into 6. So
Hmm.
they are taking the possibility of green, black, and then green, yellow, and then green.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
uh, whatsoever next is.
Black,
So
black.
they are taking the possibility of taking three blue pills in one day also.
Hmm.
But I was confused because of the first statement.
Hmm. Hmm.
I even asked in the last lecture Prashant sir,
Hmm.
but
Hmm. Okay.
I didn't get any reply.
Okay. Okay, we'll read the solution. It's okay. We'll read and whatever is there, we'll try to like dissect. So, okay, blue pill and black. What possibilities are there? Blue and black, blue and green, blue and yellow. Fine. Black and green, black and yellow, green and yellow. So for each time of the day, by addition to 6 minutes. Mm, okay. Okay, I think there is some problem. Maybe this line is cut or what?
Yeah, so this line
Yes,
is
sir.
one blue and one black in the evening.
Okay, why? But why it's not showing here?
So it happens whenever we
So
submit
it's
the
visible
assignments.
now. It's visible
Hmm.
now.
Yeah.
One blue and one black in the evening.
Because okay, I think this is the problem we need to actually raise. Okay. Okay. What's she needs to take one blue, one black, one green, and one yellow. Okay. So uh, Yeah, okay. So the thing is, the second statement, right? The second statement, this one.
So
Yeah, this one actually making the difference actually here. So so these combinations which you are seeing here, what are this? Like all the four colors, and how many in between those colors, how many combinations are possible?
so
Now, okay, these six combinations are possible in the morning also, in the afternoon also, and in the evening also. So this is kind of and events, right?
yes, sir.
So that's why it is given 6 into 6 into 6. But if you remove that statement, the second statement here, then whatever you're saying is correct, because then you will be restricted to these things, right?
Yes,
two
sir.
two blue pills, right?
Yes,
If I'm
sir.
not wrong, two blue pills, two black pills, one green and one yellow. Then how many possible? That means that you have four colors, but you strictly has to go for two blue pills, two black pills, and
1 year and 1 green.
one yellow and one green. In that case, your answer will be correct.
Okay, sir. But now these two statements are given simultaneously,
So,
and
huh.
both of them make different sense. So how are we
But if you
supposed?
combine both the statements, what you will think? Okay, if I'll ask you to rate the statement, what does that convey
Uh,
to you?
so
Both
if
the
I
statements.
combine both the
Huh.
statements, I will take it as I need to take two different pills each time in morning, afternoon, and evening.
Hmm.
But I need to restrict the number of pills also. So I will
But
restrict the
how
possibilities.
how it is, where it is written that you have to restrict? Because okay, what does this second statement tells
Yes,
you?
sir. Second statement says that we need to take just two different bills each time. So
Huh.
I'll make the possibility of green, yellow ones and blue, green ones. And sorry, I will just take two different colors each time, morning, evening,
Hmm.
afternoon.
Hmm.
But I'll also make sure that the number of pills are same. Like there is only two blue and two black, and
Okay,
one yellow and one
when
green.
your statement is correct, right? When your statement will be correct, when that assume there are infinite number of pills of each color is there, right? Let's say you are, let's say some person is there, okay, and you put like lot of green pills, lot of yellow pills, lot of means all four colors of pills, right, in front of you, and you just know that you have to take two pills in the morning, two pills in the evening, and two pills in the uh, evening, right? Three times. So in that case, what we'll do, if you have every colors four colors pills, like lot of pills, and you know that you have to take only two pills that of different colors, right? And you have to take three times.
Then
Then
I will
what?
go through this one like they did.
Right?
Yeah.
But now remove that part. Assume there are infinite number of pills. What I will do is I will just give you two blue pills, one black pill, one yellow pill, and like that. Only a restricted
Then
number
I'll
of pills. Then only.
restrict the number of
uh,
pills how I take.
then if even if she doesn't know that if I remove this statement, right, assume there are infinite number of pills of each color, if I remove this statement, then in that case whatever you're saying, this by combining these two statements, then you can restrict it, right, because there is restriction on the number of pills, right?
Okay, sir.
Since it is like a lot of pills are there, and then she doesn't know which pills to take, and means how many times it should take, but only thing she knows is she has to take two pills which are of different colors at each time. That is the thing. It's okay, even it's okay, it's fine when you did wrong or
Sir,
something, it's fine.
can I just tell me like if I'm a, like
Hmm.
if I'm thinking this question right or wrong, like
Hmm.
the way I'm going through this, the approach I'm following, is it right or wrong?
Actually, I can't say that you are wrong, because the permutation and combination ways, like whatever things are there, you are okay. You are correct. I'm saying, but it is just a thing of English grammar. See, this is not the way. Okay, if you go only for permutation combination, it will be very easy, right? Okay, I will give you some balls. You have to take two different balls, or you have to make, or you I have given you some alphabets. You have to arrange them or select them, right? In that way, most of the questions will be like that, right? This is kind of question, I can say it's kind of English based or something like that.
Sir, I just wanna
It's
know
okay.
like
I'm not saying that you are thinking
no, sir,
wrongly or
because if
something.
my approach is wrong here,
No,
I
no,
will be
approach is not wrong here. So it's
okay.
fine. Yeah. Anyway, if you can say able to solve other questions, right? Do you have any difficulties in solving?
No, sir. My other questions were right, except that eighth
It's
one
fine. It's fine.
because of that
So
natural
in
number.
that case, it's fine, right? Only
Okay.
one question doesn't make that your approach is wrong or something.
But still, sir, it makes a
No,
difference in the
no.
exam.
Exams, see, exams. That's why we try to keep the questions. Means that it should not be ambiguous. If you have written the quiz on paper, have
Yes,
you
sir.
faced any difficulty in any question except one question that we removed?
No,
That was
sir.
a very difficult question, but yeah, that was not ambiguous also. But except that question, do you feel anything like statistics?
No,
Uh,
sir.
no, right?
It was easy.
Yeah. So why? Because while setting paper, we think that okay, it's it's not needed to raise the difficulty level by adding some English statements or something like that. So we don't do these things. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, sir.
Sir, sir, when our score will be
Uh,
released,
sir, can I
quiz one,
interrupt you
quiz
with a
Thank you,
two.
minute?
sir. Thank you.
Uh, Released of which quiz one scores? Is it not? Okay,
Sir,
yeah, maybe 1 or 2 days. Yeah, it's done.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah,
okay.
yes, Kaustubh, yeah.
I'm extremely sorry for interrupting you.
Hmm.
Sir, I am a student who gave his qualifier in July
Hmm.
and later postponed my course enrollment to
Okay.
September.
Okay.
Earlier, we were informed that our qualifier score will be counted towards the quiz one, but due to some, I think, policy changes or something, it was like we have to give the exam which was conducted on 10th October, and that will be counted towards the score of quiz one.
Hmm.
But sir, my question is actually I wasn't able to appear for the 10th October exam due to my vaccination. So I was very ill because I was having
Okay.
fever.
Okay.
So my question is, since I didn't appear for the exam on 10th October, will my qualifier score be considered for the quiz one?
Whatever information I have is that if you have given already the July qualifier, right? Those who have given
Right.
July qualifiers, they can or they cannot give the September this whatever the quiz one has happened, and if they
So,
give,
Sir,
based
so,
on
if
the
I don't have the quiz one score, so will I be allowed to appear for my quiz
yeah
two
yeah
exam?
yeah I think there is no problem for July qualifier. You have given July qualifier, right?
Yes, sir. I gave the July qualifiers.
Then
I
I don't think it will be the
Yes, sir.
problem.
Actually, we need to appear for out of three. We need to at least appear for one quiz, and out of three quiz, the best two will be taken.
Yeah. So it's not a problem like you can't sit for the quiz two. The only thing is you have to submit the grade assignments.
No, sir, I'm asking this because I asked the same from the support team, I guess, 2 weeks back. And
sorry to
what they
interrupt. May I know, did you register for the April qualifier or the next qualifier?
the April qualifier, which was
Okay.
postponed to
So
July.
the thing is, I'm also a April qualifier student. So
Okay,
who
you have given April qualifier or July qualifier, please.
April
April
qualifier, but it was deferred to
Yeah, so
due to
that's in
lockdown.
July, right? That you
Yeah.
mentioned.
right.
Yes, sir.
I think no. That means not April qualifier, July qualifier exam. Those people who gave July qualifiers, it's not a problem that they can sit for.
No, sir. The reason I'm asking is because I asked the same question from the support team itself, and what they answered me on the mail and few of my mates was that your qualifier score will not be considered for quiz one.
And sir, he is correct because I'm also an April qualifier student, and it was said to us that only for those students who join this course immediately after their qualifier, their quiz one scores will be qualifier scores. So what we did, he and I, we have deferred our term to September term. If we have had continued in May term, then our quiz one score would have been our qualifier score. Since
What
we
So
deferred,
since I
so
have not appeared
I
for that quiz
I
one,
am
so will I be allowed to appear for
okay.
quiz two, or is it like a
I
mandatory
think
quiz which I have
I
to
think
appear?
I think that is one time relaxation only.
So okay,
That's one time
whatever things are there.
relaxation.
Okay,
I
can you just
have
okay?
so great.
What's your name?
Kaustubh.
Okay, so Kaustubh, I'm pinging my email ID to you privately. Just
Okay.
mail me on that, and whatever things are there, just mention it just clearly. So I will
Okay.
forward it to the support team, and then I'll get back with the answers. Fine.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, what's Kaustubh, right? So okay, I'm just checking, and don't like mail only once. Okay. Don't,
Okay,
yeah.
I'll try to mail many times. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Thank you so much.
So can I add on to something?
yeah.
there was a session by admin today, and it was said that they will have one more session, an open session wherein the students can ask any queries that they have. So that is one more thing I do between tomorrow or day after. They'll have one more sessions wherein they will take open questions.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much, Simran.
Yeah, fine.
And
Yeah.
Rachana, did the admin team inform it anywhere? Because I didn't get any notification
Right,
about
exactly. That's the problem.
It reflected in my calendar. I have synced my calendar with IITM, so all the
Yeah,
sessions get
even
uploaded there.
even there I can find my course terms, but course meetings, but I didn't find any admin session.
I will post the link, the YouTube link in the chat
Okay,
for
that will be,
today's session.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
WhatsApp also was there, no?
Yeah, I didn't get any notification on WhatsApp either
No, WhatsApp we had a notification.
regarding the admin session.
Yeah, admin session, yes. There were two messages. One is separately for admin, the other one is for the regular one.
Yes, sir. There were WhatsApp messages there.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. You guys just take the whatever.
I think
Like,
you might have missed
you
because
can give you some.
Sir, I've received the mail. Thank you so much.
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
So
So
yeah.
I have one more doubt. Just
Yeah. Okay.
not
Yeah.
this one. Sir, yeah, from so many days, like if I put it out on the Discord, nobody answers that.
I think you mailed on support. Is it? I don't know.
No. So I did put
Nobody
on
has
the Discord. That they have
discourse or discussion forum. Where you are actually putting that?
Discord.
You are from qualifier batch or term batch?
July. I gave in July.
Okay. I think I have only given the answers. Okay. Sometimes it might be delayed by 1 or 2 days.
No,
Okay?
sir, not 1 or 2 days. Like I had
Okay,
doubt, I guess in week 2, and I did put
Week
there, but yeah, yeah.
so what
And
happens is that, for example, in my case, I keep my doubts there for about 3 days, and when it doesn't get answered, I tag you. Then you
yeah, you
answer
can
that.
but
do
I
one thing
don't know,
is
sir, like who to tag or what to do. Like I
Mayur,
have so many doubts, and none of
no.
that gets answered. And
Okay, what you can do is when you are just posting the
What's the
questions,
point of applying degree?
you can
Just a friend of mine
I
asked for this.
okay, you can just tag me. It's not a problem. At the rate Mayur, you can tag. Fine. It will get the notifications to me. But
sir,
mostly
can you
I'll be
please
answering the questions. I
just repeat at the rate?
Mayur, Mayur. That's fine.
Mayur G, I think.
Mayur ji, yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So yeah, that is there. But mostly I'll answer the questions actually. Okay, sometimes it might happen.
No, sir, it has happened so many times. Like I did.
Yes, sir. I also noticed that many questions are unanswered on desk
Yeah.
course.
Okay.
One more thing, sir, I would like to point out is I don't know if I was the only one who missed it, but I didn't receive any official mail from the support team or any other that your quiz one score will not be your qualifier score will not be considered as quiz one. I got to know it from my friends. So is it with me that I missed it, or it wasn't mailed to anyone?
Maybe you will be
No,
there.
they usually considered qualifier as quiz one score in same term. For next term, you have to give quiz one.
Okay.
It's on the official, that portal. You can just check there.
It's on the portal and it's on student's handbook.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
can check from the portal.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. I think they intend to say that you should not have a discontinuity.
Okay, what is your what is your logo on this discourse? Can you just tell me?
Logo?
From mine?
Means like logo means like what
Mine.
later? Yes.
Sir, S.
Yes. Subhi Arjaria? No.
No, sir, Simran Arora.
1 minute, I'll just. Yes. Okay, fine. I'll try to give the answers as yeah, but yeah, it's better that you can just tag me.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So one more thing I want to ask you. So which sessions do you take? Like the open sessions or activity or?
It will actually not be like fine. Like it will be different for each time, each week. So but this time I took 2 sessions. I think on Saturday also I took and today. but generally one session a week I will take. So
How can we know like which session will you be taking?
you can go for like whatever doubts are there. Okay, you can go any session, fine, right?
No, some doubts are not clear last week. Like I literally had to wait for 2 to 3 weeks, and today
But
you cleared that.
any times like okay, it's fine. Anytime okay, I will be taking one session, that's for sure, each week. So yeah, let's say today if I'm taking activities question session, next time I'll be taking open session, and next time I'll be taking solid.
Solid instructor.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
That policy.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Fine. Any other questions regarding week 6?
Sir, I have a doubt in tutorial 6 of week 6.
Tutorial 6 of week 6, huh? Okay. How many ways can we arrange the 26 letter of the alphabet? So the first one.
We're looking at the number of ways we can arrange the.
What's the question? I'm not able to see. How many ways are there to arrange 26 letters of the alphabet? Is that the first what? Something is there?
Is that the
The first letter is a vowel.
So first letter is A or E or I or O or U.
Okay, fine. And
there are exactly
8 letters between A and B. Okay, fine.
So
okay, exactly 8 letters between A and B. Fine. Okay, what's the doubt here?
Sir, I am not able to understand the arrangement of the answer.
And let us start 8 letters.
See, you can see here.
Now these are 10. So what is left is the remaining 16 letters. And these 8 plus 16 that means.
Okay. Okay. So there are actually what 26 letters are there, right? Total of you have to arrange all the 26 letters, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and we know that A and B in between 8 letters are there, right?
Yes, sir.
And we have to arrange other letters also. Fine. And first letter should always be what?
Vowel.
Vowel, right? So how many vowels are there? 5, right? A, E, I, O, and U. Correct?
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay. So now let's see. I have started with A. If my arrangement starts with A, right? That's what they are trying to say, right? Okay, I'll just
24 letters can be rearranged in 24 factorial ways, and all of them are valid by our conditions. Now suppose
any of the vowels, not just A, any of the vowels
can be E or O or I or U.
We can take it as case 1 where the letter starts from A.
No, I'll be solving in another way. I'm just checking what is this way.
Only if one of the 5 letters, we can select any of the 5 letters for the first place. But if it happens to be A, then B has to be exactly the 9th letter.
Yeah, 10th. Yeah, that means yeah, correct. 10th letter, right? Okay, fine.
In other cases, it can be.
You can actually solve in the other way. Okay, I'll tell you the way, but I just wanted
A
to.
has to be the. This is the 26th. Then A has to be the 17th letter, so as to accommodate 8 letters in between. Which means A can go anywhere from the second position to.
So okay, which thing you did not understand here? Just tell me that one first.
Sir, in the case 1, they have taken A at the initial position because it is mentioned in the question. But in case 2, they have shifted it to the 17th position. Like, why have we shifted it exactly to the 17th position when
It
it
is
is not
mentioned.
Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, what happens is, so the first condition is we can have this 5 vowels at the first place, correct? Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose I have A at the initial position, correct? Then my B should be at the 10th position, that is correct, right? If my A is on first, then B should be at 10th, because we have 8 letters in between, right now?
Yes, sir.
So here are 8 letters are there in between. Now in the remaining, how many total letters has been there? 10.
10.
Remaining are 16, right? So these 8 letters and this 16, like how many positions are there now? It's 24 positions, right?
Yes,
Apart
sir.
from A and B, how many positions are there to fill with?
24.
24. And how many ways are there to arrange these 24 letters?
24 factorial.
Right? That is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now, suppose I'll be having some other letter apart from A here. Right? Let's say E. Fine?
Yes, sir.
E or anything. So that means A should not be there on the first place. So A can be on the second place, right?
Yes, sir.
If A can be on the second place, then where B can be? B will be on 11th place.
11th place.
Will that be fine?
So actually, the question says the first position should be the what is that vowel.
Vowel. Huh. So E is the vowel, right? At the first place. A,
Okay.
E, I, O, U, these are your vowels, right?
Okay.
See, in one case, A can be on the first place, right? In that case, we have 24 factorial ways. Fine,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Now, instead of A, how many possible choices are there on first place?
4.
4, right?
Means 4C1.
Yeah, 4C1, or you can say just 4. 4C1 basically
Yes.
is 4 only, right?
Yes.
And then A can be at what position then? It can be on second.
At any position.
Not any actually, because we have A and B. In between, the 8 letters should be there, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So A can
Yes,
be on the
sir.
second position, A can be on third position, right? Similarly, A can be on fourth position until what is the last
17th.
position of A?
17th.
17th.
17.
Right, because it will be
If B is
A
26th
there.
letter, then
Yeah,
you cannot have more than.
yeah. So this is the 26 is the last position. That's what it is mentioned there. So if you see, are you able to see this video?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
17th position.
so this case it is showing here the 17th and 26th, right? This is the last case which we can think. So how many ways were there to positions A?
Sir, within A and B, we can arrange 8 letters in 8 factorial ways.
Actually, you actually within A and B, it's not a problem, right? Actually, there are
We have
24.
17 positions for A.
Actually,
Like we can arrange.
there are
8.
17 positions for A, and once we fix A, that means we are fixing B also, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So, and what are the remaining possibilities are there to fix these letters?
4
The-
choices for
16.
this is 4. And now A can go from A
See,
can
this
be anywhere from second to the 17th. So there are
17 ways.
16 choices for A.
Okay, why they use 16 here?
Because we are fixing A on
Because we counted that one way here in 4 itself, right? No, sorry.
17 minus 2 plus 1.
So how is it 4?
4 because A, E, I, O, U, there are 5 vowels,
Okay,
right?
okay.
So if I placed in first position, how many ways are there? 4,
So
right?
16 ways. 4 ways for
4 ways
other
for
vowels and
vowels,
six-
and
yeah,
for A it will be from second position to 17th position.
yeah,
So it will
that
be
is
16
16.
ways, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this 16, we are considering all the cases like second place A, third place A, fourth place A, fifth place A, all cases, right? Until 17th place. Fine.
Since you can shuffle A and B
Hmm.
in this this case.
So that, yeah, A and B also can be interchanged, right?
So interchanging
For me,
means
that means yeah,
front
that means if instead of A on the second position, if I'm having B on the second position,
So that will anyway come in when you are applying permutation. So
yeah, no, we have to but consider, right, two factorial ways.
yes, sir. When you apply permutation formula, it is assumed that you are factoring in whatever be the location of A,
Correct.
right?
Yeah. But this 4 into 16 is just when we are counting A on the second, A on the third, A on the fourth. If you change B, then see, okay, it will be changing, right? The arrangement will be changing. Okay, I tell you. Suppose I'm not taking. So suppose my first letter is E. Okay. Let's say my first letter is E. Then my second letter is A. Suppose, okay. Then in between I have 8 letters, something like that. C D E, not E. C D F, G H. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I. Okay. How many are this? 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this, and any remaining letters. So this is one arrangement, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I'm shuffling B from there, so B will be here, C, D, F, G, H, I, K, L, and A. And again, the same things. So this arrangement and this arrangement is different, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So when we are counting 4 into 16, 4 into 16, in that case, what we are thinking is A is on second position, A on the third. Like A will be first and B will be the second one. But there were similarly the same cases will be there when B will be first and A will be second, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. These are the two different combinations. So that means for because these things we are keeping same, right? E and in between 8 letters and these things are same. But what we are doing is we are just interchanging B and A from the position. It will be 2 times, right? Whatever the total possible cases are there, these are the 2 times if I interchange A and B, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why we have to multiply with this 2, because whatever cases will be there, it will be 2 times. Fine? Until this is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
B
Okay.
can come first and A can come afterwards. So we can get this first letter. So the remaining 23 can be rearranged in 23 factorial ways.
And what we have to do is later, because these 2 cases are done, then we have to add up, right? All the before the 24 factorial ways and this, right?
So we earlier had 24 factorial.
So if you see,
the 23.
okay.
Sir, how did this 23 factorial came?
Okay, I will tell you. Let's say if first position was there, first positions, which choices I had if A is not there in the first position? E,
EIOU.
O, U, right? So out of these 4, we can have this first place to be filled, right? Now we can have 16 places to keep A, right?
Yes, sir.
And into 2 because we can keep B ahead of A, correct?
Yes.
So now let's say this condition, if my A is on the second place and B will be on 11th place, right? If my A is on second place, then B will be on 11th place because I have 8 places to be filled in between.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now ahead, how many places left now? These are total 11 letters we have done. We have completed. Now remaining letters, how many are there?
15.
15, right? So total positions to be filled are how many? 15 and 8, right?
Yes, sir. 20.
So how many are there? 23. So
Hmm.
23 positions, how many ways we can fill is, or we can arrange is 23 factorial ways, right? So
Yes.
for this it is 4. For A to be first, 16 different arrangement can be possible. Now, if I interchange A with B, these are the two, right? And now these letters also we can interchange, right? This 23.
Okay, sir.
So
I
there are
understood.
23 factorial. So this is,
Oh,
and now, and the previous, I think you know that, right? 24 factorial. When A was on the first place.
yes, sir.
Correct?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Just give me a second. I need to charge my laptop, I guess. And I will just come back. Okay. So, anything?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
There is a small doubt that the multiplicity in the week 5 is only for like finding out the total number of occurrence, no?
I what I did not understand. Multiplication rule of count. Multiplication rule of counting is what?
Used for like.
There is some noise from your side, I think.
I think it's not normal.
Hello. Hello.
It's clear now.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
The multiplicity rule is used for finding out the number of occurrence, no?
Number of occurrences. Of what? Means like can you just give me an example? Like what occurrence means? What you are saying?
Like two activity have n1 occurrence and n2 occurrence and total number of occurrence n1 and n2. It's like I want to ask like how it different from the factorial method of arrangement.
No, factorial method is only the same thing, right? The multiplication rule of counting only, right? Just it is just when it will be factorial, we are saying when it will goes to the whatever last possible cases, like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? So what does
Yes.
that mean? 5 into 4 into 3. Let's say you have 5 positions to be filled with something, right? Then we have 4, then we have 3, then we have 2, and then we have 1, then done.
Yes.
Right? This is 5 factorial. Let's say you have only 2 positions to fill 5 objects, 5 distinct objects. So in
Yes,
that case,
sir.
what will be the answer? 5 into 4, that's it, right? Because we don't have
Yes.
the other 3 places. So factorial is nothing different from multiplication rule of counting only. That is multiplication rule of counting. It's just that if you have 5 distinct objects and same number of places you are there to be filled, right? Then in
Yes,
that
sir.
case, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And writing it in explicit way, what we are doing is, like we are not going to write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Instead of that, what we are going to do is just we are saying that it's 5 factorial.
Okay, okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. Anything, guys?
So,
Hmm.
so in the question that graded assignment 1, where you said Chennai to Assam and Assam to Chennai are 2 different tickets. So it was written irrespective of direction of travel. Yeah. So when we take direction into account, only then we consider Chennai and to Assam and Assam to Chennai as different tickets. So doesn't irrespective of direction of travel means that those are one ticket?
Direction of travel, right? It is mentioned there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just 1 minute. That should be if it is irrespective of direction of travel. Okay. Give me a minute. I'll just check. You asked me this question, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 6. Yeah. Just a minute. I'm just going
Yes, sir.
through this. Okay. So what does this irrespective of direction of travel, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that actually means here is you can actually go from one to and fro. That is the actual meaning. That means you can go from Chennai to Assam, or and you can go from Assam to Chennai.
And so
These two will be these two will be the different tickets.
different
Irrespective,
tickets.
irrespective of the direction of travel means here is you can go okay in between. Let's say someone will say there are suppose Chennai and there is one station suppose in Hyderabad, maybe Chennai, Hyderabad and Assam. If this is the direction, right?
Yes,
Chennai,
sir.
Hyderabad and Assam. But if I wanted to go from Hyderabad to Chennai,
Yes, sir.
that is also possible. That we actually wanted to say, that we wanted to convey that the
Okay, sir. Understood,
irrespective
sir.
travels, that means we can travel from Hyderabad to Chennai also.
Okay, sir. Now I understood.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, question number 6.2. Question number last.
Okay. 6.2. Question number this one, n plus 1
Yes,
p2
sir.
is equals to 4 is okay. Have you tried this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just tell me what is the question. And 4 times n p1. Okay. So you know the formula for NP, right? Permutation. So what is the
Yes,
formula
sir.
for n plus 1 p2? Okay, what is
N
the
plus
formula for 4p2?
4 factorial by 4 minus 2 factorial.
Right. Now here what is the formula for n plus 1 p2?
N plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 factorial minus 2.
No, n plus 1 minus 2 factorial, right? What you did here?
Yes.
4 minus 2, right? So here it will be n1 n plus 1 minus 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. What will be the answer then? Here it will be n plus 1 factorial. Below it will be
By n minus 1
n
factorial.
factorial, right? Now
Yes.
how can I write n plus 1?
N plus 1 n minus 1. Yes.
Right.
I made mistake.
So here it will be n plus 1 into n, right? And here again np1 means what?
N factorial by n minus 1 factorial.
N minus 1 factorial, right? But I can write n factorial as n minus,
N.
right?
Yes.
So it will be 4n is equals to n into n plus 1. And if you solve this, you'll get the answer.
Yes.
Fine?
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
May I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Yeah.
Sir, practice assignment week 6, question number 5, sir.
Practice assignment. Question number 5. Okay. Shweta wants to
Question
go
number
from.
5.
This one, right? Shweta wants to go. Is this the same question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sweta
So
wants to go.
Shweta wants to go from Jammu to Bangalore by taking halts at Delhi and Nagpur during the journey. She has options of 2 flights and 3 trains from Jammu to Delhi, 2 trains and 3 buses from Delhi to Nagpur, 2 flights, 2 trains and 4 buses from Nagpur. In how many days can she travel if she takes exactly 1 time during the whole journey? Okay. Can you just tell me how many
Yes, sir.
buses and trains are there by looking at the question? Okay. From first of all, how many buses are there from Jammu to, or you can read the question itself, it's fine, slowly. You have the question right now in front of you. Anyone is having this question in front of them? Okay. I will only read. Jammu to Bangalore.
Wait.
Okay. Yes. 2 flights and 3 trains from Jammu to Delhi. Okay.
Trains. Jammu to Delhi.
2 flights and 3 trains from Jammu to Delhi. Okay. Then next.
Delhi to
Delhi.
Nagpur, 2 trains, 3 buses.
2 trains, 3 buses. Okay. Next.
Nagpur to Bangalore, 2 flights, 2 trains, 4 buses.
2 flights,
2 trains, 4 buses.
2 trains and 4 buses. And what we know is in this journey, uh, she can only take one train, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Exactly one train. Yeah. So she has to take one train definitely, right? So how many possible ways are there to take a train? Is here 3T, right? 3 and 2. So if she takes here train,
Even from Delhi to Nagpur, there's 2
yeah, okay, yeah. So if she takes here train from Jammu to Delhi, she can't take here and she can't take here, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if she takes here, she can't take
Yes,
there,
sir.
here, right? That we need to consider. Okay. Anyway, if my case
Yes.
one will be, if she takes train from Jammu to Delhi in this travel. Okay. If I'm saying this, so if she takes train here from Jammu to Delhi, then this option will get cancelled, right? 2F, means flight also it
Yes, sir.
will get. So how many ways are there to take a train from
3C1.
Jammu to Delhi?
3C1.
3, right?
3.
Correct. 3 or 3C1, same thing. And from Delhi to Nagpur, now she, but once she takes the train here, she can't take train here, right? From Delhi to Nagpur. So how many ways are there from traveling from Delhi to Nagpur?
3.
It's 3.
3.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here it will be 2
6
plus
ways.
4 from Nagpur to Bangalore, because she can't take train here also. So there are 6 ways, right? Is this fine?
Sir, can you please repeat?
I think your network is kind of. Can you go to some place where your network will be fine?
First, I can.
Your
I
voice
think,
is
see,
breaking.
your voice is very unclear actually. You have to go some place where your network will be good.
Left, sir.
Huh? She left, huh?
Perhaps.
Okay. Okay. We'll continue once she'll join. Any other doubts? Or do you want this question to be completed or what?
So, will you do a summary session or something?
Summary session for what?
Sir,
Week
this
6.
session is solved
Any
with
cases will be there, no, sir, here.
I mean, you will have to give
Uh,
questions.
huh? What? I'm not.
Sir, I
I don't
mean,
know. Is my network is having issue or what?
No, sir, your audio is fine.
Okay, so I'm not able to actually listen. You're able to hear now. Biswajit was saying something I did not hear completely.
Why?
Okay.
Sir, I have doubt in graded assignment question 1.
Week 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in this, like if we fix last two digits, suppose
Hmm.
X and Y,
Hmm.
and we are taking the first three digits
Hmm.
um, in some ways.
Hmm.
So, sir, for the last two digits, like we have to take two ways, or what do we have to write? Like I'm.
So there will be actually different cases will be formed, right?
Yes, sir.
Divisibility rule will be there, right? So
Yes, sir.
what
Six.
cases can be found? Let's say we have at the end 24, right?
Yes,
Okay, I
sir.
will give you the hint. What will happen? So how many numbers are there? 0, 2, 4, and
795.
795. So total of these numbers are there. If you fix this 24 here, right? How many ways are there to fill these three places? 0 can't be on this place, right? So
Yes, sir. It can't be on the first place.
3. So and remaining two places we have already consumed to and fro.
Yes, sir. Three ways
Here,
and two.
yeah, right. Now 3, 3, 2, and this is only one, right? Because these are fixed. So for the case of 24, we have 3 into 3 into 2. How many ways are there? 18 ways, right? Now you have to check for divisibility of 4, how many like what other numbers are possible on the last two digits?
Sir, 40.
Hmm? No, yeah,
40.
whatever. Now you have to check,
40,
right?
20.
Yeah, there are like lot of things. If I tell you, then it will be the answer, right?
Sir, I just wanted to know that for
Ah.
the last two places, like the first three places, we decided three ways, and two ways. For the last two places, like we have to take two ways and one way, right?
No, not two ways. Actually, you can consider different uh, places here. You have to make cases actually. So case one will be this 24 on the last.
Okay.
One minute, 1 minute.
So we have to make.
Yeah. So you have to make the cases. Like how
Okay.
many
So we
things
have
are?
to make different cases, and then we have to add them, kind of.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
okay. Anything? So week 6, not a lot of doubts, huh?
Sir, there actually, sir, a 3 into 3, because, can you go back to the slide?
Okay. No, you can actually see the thing is I cannot discuss this, right? Okay, whatever you can check actually. 3 into 3 into 2, right?
Yes, yes. Sir, there, 0, suppose if it didn't want to take the
Man,
0 in the first place, so
see,
it's three way, okay?
see, you know it, right? It's just okay, you
Yes,
can solve it. Once this grade assignment will finish, we'll discuss this one. I think I have given enough hint, right? Now you have to think.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. I think I have given already the complete answer itself. Okay. Anything else? Okay, are we good with the week 6? Okay. Is that like week 5 helped you guys to go through week 6, or what was the thing?
So week 5 was confusing. Sir.
Week 5 was confusing because you can't use the
Yeah, because
combination permutation combination there, right?
mathematics should not be like that. Always confusion. It should be
No,
sure
but
sort.
that
1
is the
plus 1 is
basics
2.
of, yeah,
That's
but that is the basics for week 6, right? That should,
yeah, sir.
that's fine.
Our understanding will be
Ha.
that confusion level to sure sort level we will switch over
Yeah.
permutation combination.
Yeah.
That is right way to think.
Okay.
I was just.
So you guys all who wrote qualifier this time, they got the results, right? So they have started studying week 5, week 6 onwards. Am I correct? Or they
Yes,
you
sir.
get the
yes.
got it, right? Okay. So I don't know if you guys have any doubts or not. If you don't have, then
Sir, in the last question, we have to do it by hit and trial, right?
last question, which was graded.
Yes, a graded assignment from the
Uh,
bibliography.
yes, you have to go through all the options actually,
Yes.
and that's why we have given the conditions from 3 to 8. So
There
yes.
is no shortcut for it.
No, actually
Okay,
no.
sir.
Mhm. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Sir,
Good
And
evening.
quiz one result
if you
It
won't
will be
mind,
after some time. Yeah.
today.
Not today, I guess. Maybe in 1 or 2 days. It's already done. The evaluation
Okay.
is done. Everything is done. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 days. Yeah.
By mail, you'll get
That
it by mail.
that I don't know actually. What the operation process I don't know.
It will uploaded in the I think portal.
Yeah, that you will
Already.
get to know. Anyway, notifications will be sent out. So don't worry about it. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I have a problem in the dashboard. I don't know whether any of the other students have the problem.
Okay, we'll discuss that later. First of all, Sumit was asking some question.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, it was from week 5 GA. The question
Week 5.
number 7.
Question number 7.
Yep.
Okay. You haven't attended last session?
Exactly, sir. I missed that one.
Okay, this one. Okay, fine.
Yep.
Yeah. So here, okay, okay, you just tell me for one person, like one student, how many ways are there? Okay, whatever the ways are there. How many ways are there?
It's 4. Either answer or not, or liked or not. So
Okay.
for
First of all,
yep.
answer when he answered, any student, then he can answer in 2 ways, right?
Right.
What, likes or not? That means answer itself has 2 ways.
Yes.
He
So
cannot answer also.
total of it's not 4 ways, it's 3 ways, right?
3 ways, correct.
Yeah, that's it. Now you can just generalize it. 3 to the power 7.
Okay.
Right?
Sir, in quiz 2, will we get more questions from week 6 and 7? Sorry, week 5 and 6?
Yeah, 5 and 6 and 4. So mostly 5 and 6 and 4.
Okay.
Sir, I have a general query. Can I ask it? Sir, I am registering for the January term and they said that our qualifier scores will not be carried to the January term. So if I am registering for only 2 subjects in the January term, suppose say statistics and mathematics, so what will happen of the other 2 subjects? Will their marks, will their
No.
quiz ones will be carried from the qualifier, or do I have to write the quiz one for them separate?
Yeah, so you have to write them separately. So that means your qualifier scores won't be counted towards the quiz 1 scores. You have to give quiz 1.
No, I am saying that suppose I am registering for 2 courses in the January term. Let's say
Okay.
mathematics and statistics.
And this term you are taking two subjects, you're saying?
No, I am not taking anything in this term.
In this term, okay. You just gave the qualifier and done. Now you are
And
just.
then I am directly applying for the January term. So in the January term, I am taking mathematics and statistics, and the remaining 2 subjects, that is English and computational thinking. So what will happen to their quiz 1 scores?
Which one? Computational
The
thinking.
English and computational thinking qualifiers.
But those 2 subjects you have to take in the next term, right?
Yes, I have to take it in the next term, and then I have to write the
I don't
quiz
think.
1.
So you have to write quiz 1, I guess. Yeah.
Oh, that means that they are scored, which I scored in the qualifier.
That doesn't.
That means computational thinking and English scores that I scored in the qualifier, those won't be carried on.
No.
And the ones that is the mathematics and statistics, those will also not be carried on.
What I actually, it's kind of complicated. Have you attended any sessions on that? There will be sessions, right, regarding this. Have you attended what they said?
Yes, I attended the admin session, but they did not have an interactive mode. They just spoke some issues and like that.
Okay. I'm also not quite aware of like, see, there are like a lot of complications are there because students are taking one subject in one term, three subjects in another term, or two in some terms. I'm not sure, but yeah. But safe side, you can do one thing. You write the quiz ones freshly for all the subjects. If you are not see, suppose you are taking, you are given the qualifier in September, right? Now you are again appearing for the January terms. It's better to give quiz because it will again what do you say, refresh your subjects syllabus, right? And that will
So
be
you're
better.
saying it is better to give the quiz
Do the
one in
quizzes.
January.
Yeah. Don't think about okay what will happen, the scores and these things. It's better that
And
you.
if
Sir,
so
yeah, so
I'm
sorry,
saying,
sorry to interrupt. Actually, they clearly said that the qualifier scores will be considered as a quiz one score only in the this continuing session
This
for the
tension.
September 21.
Okay.
If anyone who appear in the January session as a term one, so they have to give the
Write
quiz
the
one again.
quiz. Yeah.
in any number of subjects.
Yeah, in any number of subjects, exactly.
So whatever
So
They
I have to
also
give.
said they will be
So,
taking only the.
so
They also
quiz one
said
qualifier score will be considered for quiz one score only in this continuing session for any number of subjects, whichever you take.
Okay, so suppose a student is taking only two subjects in this term. So for those two subjects only, the qualifier scores will be considered.
Exactly.
okay.
For
Then
rest of two, whichever you take in the next subsequent session, so then you have to
That will
write
have to
again.
write the quiz one for them again.
Again, right? Exactly.
Okay.
they also
So,
said that one they'll take consider the 2 out of the 3 best. So it's better to appear all the subjects.
for the
Exactly.
quizzes.
Yeah.
Sir, I have another doubt. Sir, as I am not registering for this term, that means as I am registering for January, so do I have to submit week 5, 6, and 7
No,
accredited
no need
assignments?
then no need, no need. You're just given the qualifiers, right?
So, but I mean, the graded assignment 5, 6, and 7 are appearing in my, dashboard.
It's
So
okay. It's okay.
So what I do then? Leave them.
Yeah, you need not because you are not taking it, right? Again, you come in January term. You have to write from week 1 to week 12 every grade
Oh,
assignment there.
that means I have to repeat the graded assignments again
Yes,
from 1.
yes. That's what. Yeah.
And then I will get week 5, 6, and 7.
Correct. So you
Sir,
need to.
I have a small doubt, sir. Sir, I'm looking for the solutions to quiz one, sir, which are held on October 10th, actually.
Quiz 1 solutions are not released yet.
Not yet, sir?
Not yet.
Likely time, sir, when will be?
I'm not sure. Like, will they release quiz 1 solutions or not? I need to because what is the policy is we are not actually releasing the solutions for quizzes mostly. So I need to, like, if they ask us to give this solution, because it's kind of like we are giving them the content, whatever the operation side is there, they will take the decisions whether it to release it or not. It's kind of like that for quizzes.
Okay.
So that I'm not sure, like I can't say anything about it.
But for quiz 2, week 4, 5, 6 will be the focus main.
Mostly 4, 5, 6, little bit from week 3, 2 and 1. Mostly I'll say from week 3 you will be having questions. Okay.
So can you repeat from which weeks do
4,
we have
5,
the
6.
more?
4, 5, 6 will be the emphasis mostly.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt. I have qualified for the qualifier and I haven't got any tab for a course registration. Then how can I register for the course?
I think it will be there, right? Or somewhere
was an
suggestion will
email
be there.
came.
Actually, sir, in the today's admin session, they clarify this question. Like, few of the students may have seen this problem that this option is not available in their dashboard. So they may write to the support team, and they will sort out this problem for them.
So
Yeah, I have written that, but I haven't got any solution for
it
that.
will
Basically,
actually.
they have replied me. They are looking for the solution, but it's gone. It's been around 22 hours for that.
It's
Sometimes
not a big deal. They will be
Yeah,
sorting it
1
in
or 2
day
days.
or two, and the last date is Friday midnight. So you may have enough time to register.
So
Okay,
Sumit,
thank
so
you.
don't not Sumit, Vishal was there, right? So it's not a
Yeah.
problem. Sometimes what happens is like lot of mails will be coming. So it's sometimes what happens is you will get the reply some like 1 or 2 days after 1 or 2 days, but you will get the reply. Don't worry. And
Okay,
and
sir.
if they know that this problem is arise for some students, that means that the definitely solutions will be there. They might contact you with the email, right? And if in
Okay,
any
sir.
case, if something you did not get anything until the last date, also you can write it to support. They will contact you. It's not a problem. If you're qualified, then it's not a problem actually.
Okay, sir.
Right?
So for just one more thing is for qualifiers, whatever we did earlier, prepared first 4 weeks.
Hmm.
I'm talking about July 1, and now the quiz 1 or for the term 1.
Hmm.
Most of the contents, videos, and all look like repetitive, sir.
So it will be same, right? It won't.
Mhm.
It will be same. Anyway, it will be same.
So it will change only during term 2 or when, sir? Like
What
the subjects
content?
content, yes, sir.
Content it is you have seen only until week 4, right? So from week 5 onwards it will be new to you guys, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, or is it? I think you did not go for the week 7, all the weeks contents.
No, because the one thing was since the qualifier which was supposed to be in April got shifted to July, sir,
Correct.
because of this COVID and all those things.
Correct.
So what happened was the contents for they are released straight right up to 8th week. They have released the content for previous batch. So I think so.
Okay,
yeah. So we had exposure to these contents even before we had cleared the qualifiers and sat for the and we started the term 1. So that's why even the 5th, 6th looks like repeating. So that's what I wanted to check.
From week 8 onwards it will be new.
Okay. Me too. So which means after week, so week till week 8 is a term 1, right? So if I'm right.
Yeah. You can say that. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. I think we don't have any questions regarding this, right? So we'll close the session. Fine.
So the dashboard problem, is it only for me
what
or many of the other students have?
What dashboard problem?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I have some queries, general queries, sir. Sir, my interim exam is, sir, August 22, but I can't appear, sir. So then I can repeat the exam December. I can attend December 12th December, but I can't attend, sir, quizzes. So any issue for my result?
No. They have said that, right? Oh, you can just attend that final exam, right? That's what you got, the whatever the directions, right?
Okay, sir.
So the
So
quizzes, then your previous quizzes marks will be considered.
okay. No, sir. But in January registration, 2020 21 registration, the only for one exam, sir, the qualified exam only. Then the next exam in August 22. Then it is the exam is an interim exam.
No, what you're saying, like you have given the 2 quizzes, right? In between, you just
Yes,
did
sir.
not give only final exam, right? Interim exam.
Yes, sir. I can attend in July qualified, then direct in interim exam.
So you can just give directly the interim exam, right? It's fine only, right?
Okay, sir. So then I can rejoin. I can
Okay,
register.
what you can do is you just do one thing. You just write it to support, I guess. Yeah. Have you written the support before? What they said to you?
Okay, sir.
You just write it to support. Okay, that will be better, I guess.
Okay. Sir, in my question, practice assignment question, sir. Question number practice assignment.
Okay. You
6,
left in
question number
between,
5.
right? Okay. I was just explaining. Or not fine. I'll explain.
Okay, sir.
Mm,
Yes, sir. This question, Jammu to Delhi.
Yeah,
Some issues, my connection is disconnected,
yeah,
sir.
it's okay.
So that's
Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay, I'll just explain.
okay, sir.
गिफ्ट में लिखी
Sorry. Okay. Okay. So where we were before? Okay, these things were there, right?
Yes, sir.
So from Jammu to Delhi, we have 2 flights and 3 trains. From Delhi to Nagpur, we have 2 trains and 3 buses, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
from Nagpur to what is this? The last station.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we should have exactly 1 train, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, let's say case 1 will be we or the girl, she has taken the train in the from the travel from Jammu to Delhi.
Delhi.
So how many ways are there to
3 trains.
3, right? So 3 ways are
Yes.
there. Now from Delhi to Nagpur, now if she has taken already 1 train from Jammu to Delhi, she can't take train from Delhi to Nagpur, right? Because we have only exactly 1 train she has to take.
Yes, sir.
Right. So from Delhi to Nagpur, how many options are there to travel now? 3 buses, right? So she
Yes,
can
sir.
take either of the bus. Okay.
Okay.
Then in the next travel from Nagpur to what is
Bangalore.
this? Bangalore, yeah. Nagpur to Bangalore, she has now
4
she
buses.
4 buses and 2 flights. But she
Flights.
didn't do the train because she has already taken train in the first travel.
Jammu to Delhi.
So how many
Yes, sir.
options are there here? 6, right? So it will be total 54 ways, right?
Yes, sir.
Case 2, suppose she has taken train from Delhi to Nagpur.
Okay, sir.
So from Jammu to Delhi, how many ways are there to travel?
Yes, sir. 2 trains.
From Jammu to Delhi.
Jammu to 2 flights, sir.
2 flights only, right? That means only 2 ways.
Yes,
From
sir.
Delhi to Nagpur.
Is it 2 trains?
Correct, because she has to take train exactly once, right?
Right. Yes, sir.
Right. Now from Nagpur to Bangalore, how many ways are there now?
6, 4, 2 flights and 4 buses.
Correct. So it will be 6, 12, 24. Total of 24 ways.
The second case is how, sir? I didn't get.
So in second case, what we have decided is she will be taking train from Delhi to Nagpur.
Yes.
So if she has taken a train from Delhi to Nagpur, she can't
Okay.
take train from Jammu to Delhi, and she can't take train from Nagpur to Bangalore, right? Because
Okay.
she has to travel exactly once by train.
Nagpur, Delhi. Okay.
So in the second case, she has only 2
Yes,
ways
sir.
flight
Okay.
from Jammu to Delhi. From Delhi to Nagpur, she is going by train, so there are 2 ways.
Yes.
So 2 into 2,
Okay.
and now
Okay.
last 6. Fine, right? Now
But
the
yes, yes,
third case is she is taking train in from Nagpur to Bangalore.
Nagpur to
Bangalore.
2
So she
trains.
can't take train from Jammu to
Bangalore.
Delhi.
2 trains.
And similarly, she can't take trains from Delhi to Nagpur, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many ways are there from now
Then
traveling?
it's a 2 into
2 into
2 trains in Nagpur to Bangalore and 2 flights.
Okay.
Then 3 buses.
3 buses, right? Fine. Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
It's 2, right? 2 flights from Jammu to Delhi. This one.
2. Yes,
Then
sir.
3 buses from Delhi to Nagpur,
Delhi to Nagpur and 2
2
trains
trains from
from Nagpur to Bangalore.
So how many ways are there? 12, right? So
Yes,
total how
sir.
many ways are there to travel? 54 plus 24 plus 12. Like that means 54 plus 36. It's 100. No, not 100.
90. 90.
No, 90, sir.
Yeah, sorry.
90.
So what is the answer?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
90. Yeah. Fine, right? It's correct, right?
Yes, I think.
Sir. Cases.
Which question was? Can
Some
just
type
look
of
at that
question.
question, sir? Now.
Question 5.
Practice question 6.
Practice question. Practice assignment question number, I think 5.
Which was that? Which one was that, sir? Sorry.
Question 5.
6 point.
Yes, sir.
Practice question 6. Fifth question.
Practice assignment 6. Question number
Question 5.
5. Right.
Five.
So
Yes,
the
sir.
correct answer
90.
is 90. Yeah. Got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Yeah,
Okay. So
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you're audible.
Sir,
Yeah. Your voice is breaking actually, I think.
Such type of questions where cases are being right now. Hello. Is it okay? Fine, sir?
Yeah, it's fine now. Yeah.
I was asking, in the cases, suppose cases are created, case 1, case 2, case 3. In all the situations, cases will be added only. Is there any case where multiplication will be also be required?
That depends on the problem, right?
Or nowhere?
No, I can't generalize this statement.
Because I have not seen any. Yeah. That's why I'm asking, because in most of the, I have not encountered a problem in which cases are being
actually, see, escape. So if you are able to hear me, so the thing is, see, you should not worry about, okay, what will happen, I need to multiply the cases, or I need to add the cases. It's like, okay, whatever problem is there at that time, you have to think, okay, if I do addition, what will happen? If
customize, we have to think customize.
Yeah,
Okay,
we cannot generalize the thing actually.
That's why I asked you.
What will happen?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think we don't have any other questions, so we'll drop off. Okay.
7 question, general question, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, sir, here they have announced like that. Suppose if you take 2 courses, two subjects, then the mark will be carried for the 2 subjects only, and the next term we have to give quizzes, right?
Actually, see, I'm not in the operations part, so I will not be able to know every details of it. That's the problem. So if I say something to you now, and if that won't happen, I don't know. So it's better that you can just write to support. Whatever queries are there, they will maybe answer you. That will be, I think, it's a better option. Because I'm not in the operation side. I'm in course like content developer side. So it's kind of
Actually, I mailed them on Sunday, but it was auto generated.
Okay, what answer they gave?
In auto generated, just they come that to see handbook and all that things.
So you can go through that, right? What is there? The handbooks given provided, or whatever general instructions are there. What is there? Or maybe you can do one thing. You just call them on the support. You have the numbers, right? You can call on that. Maybe try
Which is that number, sir?
Okay. Anyway, what you can do is just okay. I will provide you my email ID.
Okay.
So you just mail me whatever your queries. Maybe I will try to convey that. So, what's your name?
Rabi Khan.
No, here. It's Lenovo Tab M8, right?
Yeah, M8. Lenovo Tab M8.
Okay, I'm just giving you my. Okay, just mail me your query. I'll just forward it to them. Okay. Okay. I think. Okay. Done.
Wait, sir. Yeah, copied.
Okay. Fine.
Sir, please explain question number 4, activity 6.1.
Question number 4 of
activity 6.1.
In how many ways can 5 distinct books can be arranged? Okay. So
Sir, in 2 books shelves.
In 2 bookshelves, right? I have already explained in the last session, I guess, the same problem. I have given answers on discussion forum.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can just I think that question I already discussed maybe at the end of the session, so you can just go through that YouTube video link and you'll get the answers. Okay, and I already posted it on the discourse and discussion forum also, so you can just check on that, right? Okay.
Yeah, sir. Okay,
guys, then I think we should drop.
Sir, I have a question from graded assignment question 5.
Week 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 5, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the doubt here?
Sir, I'm not able to understand the arrangement of it.
No, no. What you understand? Anything is fine. Whatever you understand is wrong or right, that is okay. But what do you understand from the question? Just tell me that.
Sir, like we have to take it so that it reads the same way from the starting and as it is from the last.
Okay. Let's say you have 5 numbers, 5-digit number.
Yes, sir.
So how
Yes,
it
sir.
can be read from the same way? Like we have 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or anything. You have this 5-digit number, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1. If this kind of number is there, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1. You can write one. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So palindrome is that thing. Let's say this number is there. So if I read from this side, how can I read this? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Now if I read from this side, how can I read? You read it.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Right. So from left side also, if I'm reading 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and from right side if I'm reading, it will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Right. This is called as a palindrome.
Yes, sir.
That means around this middle number, this side should be what do you say, similar. It's mirror arrangement, right? See, if I draw a line here, this side the numbers are same, this side also the numbers are same, right? 2 2 here, 1 1 here. This is arrangement,
Ye-
palindrome. So now
Sir,
you have to fill these places.
sir, I wanted to ask that since it is a 23-digit number, so there are many possibilities of the arrangement. So, like, how should we do that?
The same way, it's whatever we have done for 5, right? You can do, like, how many places you have to fill with the numbers? Tell me, in 5-digit number.
So, in 5-digit number, we have to fill 5 places. Matlab, basically 3 places.
Right,
Half of the places.
correct, right?
Hmm.
So in
Oh,
21 digits, how many places will be there then to be filled?
20, 10 digits.
10, right?
Okay,
No,
sir, I
not
go.
10, 11, 11. So because it's that
Mm-hmm.
one
For
number.
the middle digit.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine? Okay. Okay, guys, then I'm leaving the meeting. It's fine, right? Okay, we have tomorrow one session solving that, so just attend that session. Okay, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, everyone.